My name is Alison Leslie. I am a somatic experiencing practitioner, an EMDR therapist, facilitator in basic training, and trainer in training for the Case and Co team. I am excited to spend 2 days potentially with y'all, exploring how EMDR and somatic therapy can be interwoven to help clients reach deeper levels of healing, to help clients explore the story that the body is holding on to, and learn ways to help the body move through that experience in maybe a more comfortable and more curious way. During our time together, we're going to learn about the importance of curiosity. You're going to be invited to tune into your own internal experience as a way to help kind of check into the space and see what's going on with your client who, whether that be when they're next to you in the office or over Zoom, like I'm talking to you right now. You'll learn different ways that the body holds on to stories, ways to assess that with your clients, ways for your clients to tune into that. And we'll go through each phase of EMDR until we get to that desensitization phase, which allows for sort of that completion of the story that the body's holding on to be told. In this little packet, you've gotten something called the neuroceptive menu of safety. We're going to explore more about that in this training, but you can use that in phase 2 with your clients, that preparation phase to help them tune into their neuroception, that kind of spyware that's going on in the background unconsciously. When we can stay curious to what's happening or what invites in comfort, curiosity, it's okay to be okay, or it's possibly safe to be safe. With our clients, we can use this kind of interactive menu to help them when they're being pulled into maybe implicit memory or some of that yuck of life. That neuroceptive menu of safety is a really fun way to help clients start to stay curious to what's going on outside in the world, that exteroception, what's happening inside, interoception, and where they are in their body, which is proprioception. As clients work through ways to help support tuning into what's comfortable, to what's good, we start to build new neural pathways to help the body find, kind of cue into safety instead of what's unsafe. I hope you really like that worksheet. Feel free to reach out to me if you have questions about it. I think that anyone who's registering for this course should know a little bit about me. I live in Bloomington, Indiana. It's the stolen lands of the Potawatomi, Shawnee, and Miami people. I love the human-animal bond. My career started in the human-animal bond, so I often incorporate animals and nature into my work, so you'll get little tidbits of ways that you can include your clients' companion animals, who are part of their family, and nature along the way. This course is really just an exploration of curiosity, an invitation for you and your clients to stretch their bounds, to get a little bit more capacity to be comfortable and uncomfortable throughout the healing process. I hope you'll join me in October. Bye.